I'm out here tonight with my vintage Traxxas Bandit. The setup is the same as last time, where it hit 51.9 miles an hour on a Traxxas 12-turn Titan motor. The only difference tonight is I'm running these Aimrock rubber tires. Normally I run foam tires on here, but these tires worked excellently on my HBX truck. I brought it up to nearly 50 miles an hour. There was minimum ballooning. So I'm really curious to see if these are any faster than the foam tires. They are about 10 grams per tire heavier, and they're slightly taller, which will effectively make the gear ratio a little taller overall. But they will balloon a little bit as well. But these don't balloon badly. So I'm really curious to see if I can get this faster than my previous best of 51.7 miles an hour. Let's see what it does. As usual, I'll be running my fastest shorty LiPo, the CNHL 4900 milliamp hour 2S LiPo, and let's see what it does. The GPS is zeroed out and reading. It's a little twitchy. I don't think that was probably quite the full speed, but I'll try it again here in a minute. Only 46. There we go, full throttle, much straighter this time. This is definitely the most twitchy car I've ever driven. The key is just to slowly ease into the throttle, but that was definitely full speed on that second run. And let's see what it did here. Did we beat 51.7 miles an hour? No, not even close. All right, well, these taller tires must be causing the gearing to be taller than it's happy with, so not even close. That being said, these tires have been excellent. I'm gonna go ahead and have a little bit of fun with this. I don't like to drive this car unless I'm doing speed runs, because I'm not trying to wear out the brushes, trying to get the maximum performance out of it, but not looking good to go much faster than that 51.7. All right, I smell smoke. That might be it. I might be moving on to brushless here. What's smoking? Speed controller's hot. Yeah, that was dumb. The motor's pretty hot too. Damn, man. Oh well. All right, one more run. This is the twitchiest car I have ever owned. I gotta turn the steering rate down. I forgot I turned that up to have some fun with it. Went off the road down there, but that's gonna be it. And the final speed for today, 39 miles an hour. Gosh, I hope I didn't mess the motor up. I think I probably did. Oh well, 51.7 is gonna be it. I'm calling it quits with this motor. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits running this brushed Titan 12-turn motor. 51.7 is gonna be it. Next, I plan on putting a F540 motor in here, probably like a 4370 and do some 2S runs on it and see how much faster than 51.7 I can get it on 2S. And depending on how the car handles, we'll take it from there. Thanks for watching my series on the vintage Traxxas Fortec. 51.7 is not too bad on a brushed motor. And yeah, I think I overheated it, and I'm kind of running out of gearing options. And honestly, it seems like with these slightly taller tires on here, it made the gearing a little too tall, causing the car to slow down. So good enough for me. If someone can beat that, I'd love to see it. Not that I doubt that it, can be done, but it's always fun to see someone else do a project like this and see how fast they can take their Titan 12-turn motor. Take care, guys.